You get that email, that phone call about the festival, you can't help but smile. You know you're heading to the party island.
If you could bottle the feeling of festival week and sell it, you would make a fortune.
Amis maiach greifis uavas och ein sorich han. Agus gan vale kutjoch cacho sorich. Ha kainam Jamarst agus Jakiating and narach gan yvashin ur vad dyn chin for a vad ashik agus va feines trang agus va ceòl de toshag.
Fara vele kutjoch larug na feisig de thuve hastal sele hab it lieptia agus ha fadach gan aun asavale on the balestione how fadach gan gevil Rutakin more at all.
So when I was up there, I get a sense of this is who we are, and we're fiercely proud of it. And it was great to see the kids dancing and the bagpipes playing and people scuttling in the middle of the square there. I could tell that people loved the environment and it came out of them.
Is like that ceòl hula ocean is reading a gale, a Cluich, and ceòl beo haintach. Had you adachgin, han goirs nach mar Phearsain. Mi Eddi Reader go Fheis Cheilteach Innse Gall ó díag na 90s fin mira agus hasníad bhí ganíos an Phearsain. Gachlib a héitiú go Fheis HebCelt ha is a dúr fáilte i lí. Agus a seo sealtain mar a bheith luchd-ciùil héin a géirí bhí mar Phearsain ghaníos. A cainnim go carratin gain a Cluich an nolapúl a neiche bheit sinne a Cluich ag HebCelt agus nach de lémat iad nasig me dhéidig fácail olapúl agus landat stuig me bheith neiche agus bheit session maithti dul as a bhar agus Huyat a stuig agus chluisin le chéile go uidan big an na matne agus an tagalbat de díiste i hiatasig. Seach cuid is wat in het as a gullepul.
It's a great meeting place, isn't it, HebCelt? We have tunes usually in the Royal after any of the events that we're at because we're usually staying there, and it's just a great place for getting together. Let's face it, Lewis is a wonderful place to visit at any time. The people are fantastic. They're always up for a bit of crack and they love good music.